by the fireside. I have viewed struggle as a stepping stone, an opportunity to learn vital lessons for the next chapter in life. Getting out of my land of birth and embarking on this journey to America was a mission of self-discovery for me. One thing I discovered quickly was how to fail. Over the years, I have never failed any major test life threw at me. It almost felt as if I had discovered the cheat code. Some way, somehow, I would always emerge victorious and avoid failure entirely. The challenges may have been tough, but I had gotten tougher and would eventually figure out my way. But that would no longer be the case when I landed in America. 2 weeks after my graduate program started, I was tested, and yes, for the first time, failed. I couldn't get my driver's license on the first attempt. I couldn't make new friends. I couldn't be consistent with going to the gym. My faith and mental health wasn't spared at all. I began to fail at the simplest of things, and no one in my hometown would believe that I could fail at one point. A promising child from a distinguished family, born in the quiet town of Afuti, Ghana. In every town, the name of some distinguished citizens gave their family members a whole deal of recognition. And so when someone asks, "Whose son are you?" and I answer, "Afuti," I was accorded that immunity and preferential treatment. I grew up with such spontaneous grace. Although I may have lacked a certain pampering of boyhood, I never lacked good luck. My family was not particularly rich. However, as we say in Africa, the rich man's wealth is in his village. The entire community came together to raise me and supported me with their little and celebrated me whenever I did well. My father was particularly proud of me. And so when news swept across the streets of Fodome that their son was going abroad, they celebrated me even more. Goodwill messages and support kept pouring in as I got myself ready for this great journey. I spent my last days with my best friends, Yana and Bema, talking about what the future had for us and how this journey could potentially affect our decade-long bond. We munched on some roasted granuts and corn, sitting by the fireside under the full moon, telling tales of freedom and justice. We spoke of the struggles of Ghana's first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, South Africa's Nelson Mandela, and Burkina Faso's Thomas Sankara, who were part of the few Africans who wanted Africa to be truly free from imperialism. Well, we will miss going to the gym together. The village gym was nothing sophisticated, just a collection of rusty metals and abandoned car parts, improvised as dumbbells. Oh, and when I fail again, I will remember where I come from, the prayers of my people, the memories by the fireside. Then I will rise and try again, and keep on trying until I become successful, because failure is nothing but a stepping stone. Thank you.